Hello and welcome to my channel and to my video tutorials. This is Martin Dimitrov. Please remember to check out the other sections of my channel where I have posted other great videos, tutorials and tips and tricks. It will be my privilege to teach you today O Canada. And this is bass part 1. Okay, so you start with low 1 under this string. E, G, A, F, G, A, B, skip string. B, 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 E flat, D, C, B, E, F, G, A, B, B, E, D, G, G flat, which is the same as F sharp, F, F, B, 3, 4, B, 3, 4, E, 3, 4, A, G, F, E, B, 3, 4, B, 3, 4, E, E, E with second finger, F, F, B, 3, 4, E, D, C, 3, E, F, E, D, C, B. Now, like a G sharp, A flat, G, G, A, F, G, A, B, B, E, B, 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 E, G, C, A, G, F, B, B, E. Okay, and now with the bow on this half-size bass.